Morning students, in previous class I had solved examples of exercise 4.1. Today I am starting exercise 4.1. In type 1, question is which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? Question 1. Which of the following is a perfect cube? Here 27 is equal to prime factorization of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 cube. So 27 is a perfect cube. Definition of perfect cube is a natural number is said to be perfect cube if it is a cube of a natural number. कोई संख्या पूर्ण घन कहलाती है यदि वह किसी प्राकृतिक संख्या का घन हो. यहाँ पर 27 का अभाज्य गुणनखंड बराबर 3 गुना 3 गुना 3 बराबर 3 क्यूब. So 27 is a perfect cube because it is a cube of a natural number 3. Similarly, in 2 number question, which of the following is not a perfect cube? 3 number question, which of the following is not a perfect cube? 36, 3 number 36. Prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into here it is here 2 and 3 are not cube of 2 and 3 are not here 2 and 3 are not group of 3. So 36 is not a perfect cube. Answer. Prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here 2 and 3 on grouping 3 on making triplets of equal prime factors 2 and f are left. 2 and 5 are left. Here 2 and 3 are not group of 3. So 36 is not a perfect cube. In 4 number question, 5 number is 5 number question. In question number 5, is 243 a perfect cube? A number is a perfect cube if it is a cube of a natural number. So first of all, we find the prime factorization. factorization of 243 is equal to is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 is equal to 3 cube into 3 into 2. Here on making triplets, triplet 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 are not hence 243 is not a perfect cube. To make 243 a perfect cube, we must multiply 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, because it is not in a group of 3, so 243 is not a perfect cube. Now I am going to solve in type 2 question. In type 2, which of the following is the cube of 3? 6 number question. Cube of 6 is equal to cube of 3 बराबर 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Answer. If you are asked to cube of 3, then we multiply 3 by 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3 बराबर 27. So cube of 3 is equal to 27. 2 number answer. Answer 2. Similarly, which of the following is the cube of 1000? Solution 8. Solution 8. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 2 number question. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole cube is equal to 6 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 260. Fill in the blank. So we put 260 in the blank. Similarly, 3 number question. 8 minus 1 minus 3. 8 minus 1 minus 3. 8 minus 1 minus 3 cube is equal to 8 minus 4 cube बराबर 4Q इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 4 इंटू 4 बराबर 64. तो क्यूब ऑफ 8 माइनस 1 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 3. इन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस टाइप 3 by which of the following number 3000 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Quotient is a perfect cube. 9 number question. The question is 3000 is equal to is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 2 cube into 5 cube into 3. To make it perfect cube must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. To make it perfect cube, we must divide it by 3. Hence the smallest number will be 3. In 3 number question, so now you can solve short answer type question. In next class I will solve from short answer type question. Thank you. Oh, yeah.